Hello, wonderful people. Today I want to share with you one of the quickest and most wonderful ways to enjoy smoked sausage. Also, today my channel hit a very important milestone of 10,000 subscribers, so I want to thank you all my subscribers. Now, we are working with a Polska Kielbasa here. Maybe you've seen this in the store and you're like, how do I eat this? So just grab the sausage out of the packaging and rinse it quickly, tap it dry, and then go ahead and cut it up into pieces. You want to slice this in pieces that are medium thick, about, I would say, half an inch, maybe even a third an inch, but don't make it too thin or it will fold up when you fry it. When you're done cutting your sausage, set it aside. And now we're going to prepare a few more ingredients. I'm using jalapeno peppers here. They are a little bit spicy, but they also add a good flavor. You could also use any other type of peppers that you like. So slice up your peppers like that. You could remove the seeds if you don't want them to be too spicy. Just set those aside. And the next ingredient is parsley. Just chop up your fresh parsley. I think you could also use cilantro here and it would just be fine. So chop it up really finely and you're all set with just a few seasonings. Now heat up about a tablespoon of oil on like medium high heat and then fry your sausage. That is the first step. You want to fry this on medium heat, not too much heat, or it will darken too quickly. You want it to cook up a little bit, although it's cooked sausage, but you want to cook it again thoroughly. So just fry until it's browned like so. And then go ahead and add the jalapeno peppers. Fry for another minute. You don't want the jalapenos to overcook. Just you're heating them up a little bit, and when they are bright green, you are all set. And now you're going to season with black pepper, paprika, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. And you don't have to add salt because the sausage is salty enough. Also, the sausage is a little bit fatty. That's why you see a lot of fat on the pan, but that shouldn't worry you. When you serve this, you'll just, take the sausage off the oil. Your dish is already set. Just as like sprinkle some sprinkle some parsley to garnish, and your dish is ready to serve at this point. It is so good. As just, you could serve this over rice, but I just like to eat it alone when I'm craving a Polska Kielbasa. So just go ahead and plate your sausage and then dig in and enjoy. It tastes really good. It's crispy, it's soft on the inside, and it's just so much flavorful. I hope you love this simple recipe and I hope to see you in more of my videos. I will be posting more short and sweet recipes just to celebrate this 10,000 milestone. So please just keep an eye out. It will be like 5 minute or less recipes that I'll be sharing, about 6 of them in the coming days. I'm so happy you stopped by. If you are my subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for checking out this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I do encourage you to subscribe so that we can enjoy these recipes together. I hope you love this sausage recipe and I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.